Okay, everyone, I'm very happy this day. I will be explain about my research. The title of my research is Analysis of Partial Concrete from Mortar for Road Pavement. This is a new topic, and I think very interesting. We can now for mortar. When the mortar used to the pavement. The basic discuss of my research is one is background and formulation of the problem, the research purpose, benefit of research, scope of problem, stage, method flow breakdown. We can explain the foam mortar is usually used for cable or embankment walls. This time we will make the foam into road pavement. I think this is interesting. What is the background? We can now one of technology that is currently being developed is the use of foam mortar as a material for both embankment and embankment for bridge embankment. Yes, you can now find the mortar busa in the embankment to increase the stronger of embankment, that we will use this technology to the road pavement. This technology will continue to develop where we have foam mortar is seen as trivial. It will become something extraordinary into the development of road pavement material. What we have is fast and high the quality. This we can know some people not think about the foam again. This foam again is very interesting. We can increase knowledge and we can know something about the formulation of the problem. What is we can know about the formulation research, how we can form mortar straight concrete accepts design compressive strain FG 20 MPa for yes. I think this is new knowledge about the fast track mortar concrete, mortar from fast track. Some people now the mortar is always usually to the handle for the walls or maybe embankment, but this is we can use the mortar foam to pavement and have the edge very fast. The edge for this foam is 3 until 5 days. We can use this foam, or maybe we can, or probably we can now this compressive strain the mortar in 3 days. What is the effect of foam mortar concrete on the table recharger activity? The joking formula of this mortar busa or mortar foam is the recharger type D, the recharger type D, and the additive of this foam again or from concrete mortar face check. This is used to increase the strength compressive of foam, and this knowledge or maybe this retractability can make something wrong in this concrete. Research purpose. What's you can think about the purpose? Get the best job formula for fast straight concrete from mortar from road pavement. The best job mix we can find in this research. We can know, oh, this is very interesting, or we can know something about this research. And the second of the purpose this research is to determine the effect of mortar concrete on the building active in 3H, 7H, and 20H, 8-H is also that. I will think this is very good idea, and we hope the best formulation for this process. What is we can know benefits of research? One is increase insight in the field of civil engineering, especially in road pavement using foam mortar busa. The technology of pavement is always grow in every years, especially for this mortar busa. We can now this is an increase inside the field of civil engineering. And the second of benefits, research on the use of foam mortar in the road construction can provide additional new knowledge in the field of civil engineering, especially those related to road pavement. This is something we can find new research in these models. What is the scope of problem? We can know the practicum was carried out at the Construction Material Technology Laboratory Faculty of Engineering, Sultan Hasanuddin University, Semarang. This research only tests the compressive strength of foam mortar and the effects of tubular-related additive. Yes, just the compressive strength. Maybe in the last meeting, or maybe in the last process, we can take not just the compressive strength, but we can know about the flexural strength this mortar foam. This research does not test an economic value if we apply the field. Yes, we not research to the economic value, but we can know about the new material. Research price. Research method. A laboratory experimental method used when the research was carried out in the laboratory was by making test objects in the form of concrete cylinders measuring 50 centimeters. The research was conducted at the Construction Materials and Laboratory Faculty of Engineering, Surabaya. Research price. We can do the determination of the design and step for the making 20 test objects with a cylinder shapes when we have the medium cylinders to have measuring test object. And the type object is become a parameter for the mortar busa, and we can know compressive strength by the cylinder of test object. But if we can know, we we will now about the structural strength. We can use the other object, not the cylinder shape. What are the surface? We can now the tool material for this is material cement, fine aggregate, and water. Fine aggregate is sand, water from again. Tool for the tool is scale, sieve, measure, drill, measuring cup, oven, concrete mold, testing, and etc. Maybe we can not say one by one to the tools material for this research, but all the material is we can use the base for tool and calibrator tool. This is research and experiment carried out at the laboratory of the Faculty of Engineering Minnesota, aiming to determine the compressive strength of concrete with a planned compressive strength of FG20. What is the scope, results of, and discussion for this research? Water and mood content inspection, composition research result, and the content of the scopes of the research. When I get safe analysis, I'm sorry, this is a mission and Indonesian words. I know that this is not in the all of the aggregate safe analysis, not out for this category. This is a parameter in the once something find new for the safe analysis. This is a composition of job mix design. We can find the fine aggregate, rafter drill, and sand, mortar from mortar agent. The result is the slump 60 millimeter. This is make a slump flow. The category is 15 until 60 centimeter for the slump flow. Average compressive strength for normal, we can use in the compressive strength the normal concrete in 5 day, 7 day, and 20 each day. We can know the compressive strength and the rate of compressive strength. The set result, we can know about the compressive strength of concrete. In the ones of test object, we can know the compressive strength in the 5 day age is 63, and the second test object is 68%. The other result, the average of compressive strength of concrete variation, we can know 4 day, 7 day, and 20 each day. In 4 day, the result is 5.20 to 120 each MPa, and the 7 day is 6.57 MPa, and 20 each day is 6.52 MPa. What's the conclusion of this research? The base of the result of the research calculation that we have been carried out The following conclusions are obtained from the results of testing. The best chopping formula, the second combination of mortar composition 0.16% from agent and 0.50% recharger type D was obtained with a ratio of 161.62 kilogram per centimeter second, or 15.85 MPa. The addition of foam agent and the tip derivative additive to the compressive strength of the foam mortar has a significant influence on the edge result. In the study, the high average compressive strength value was obtained for the foam agent percentage, and this is the best in this research is 0.60% foam agent and 0.50% for charger. I think this is very interesting. Will be now about the core of the development research. In the suggestion is in accordance with the experiment conducted by researcher with fast and in Indonesia, this mean factor estimate value of 1.5 and the composition of foam again the type derivative for fast track foam mortar can be used on local market. Further research needs to be done on the textual jobbing formula so that higher compressive strength result can be obtained. Yes, we can know that if we not try this research, we can not know what the combination with the foam agent and recharger. We cannot know the best quality of this process. We hope the mortar agent foam agent with foam mortar we can use to the rock pavement in class 1. Class 1 is have 10 until 15 ton for the load of road. This is very interesting for me, and especially I will be grow of development this process in every years. We can find is something new about the research, and we can share this knowledge in everyone we can find in this university or the project, and we can make happy to find this process. I think this is we can share for all people who look this video, and we can send my happy to our. We will always have a new spirit if you make our wishes. Okay, thank you very much for your attention, for your time. We will be meet in other video. Thank you very much, my friend. I'm sorry if I have wrong say. We can end this meeting by Alhamdulillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you very much for everybody.